Hello, welcome to WR Guitar, I'm Will Russell, and in this video today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Plug-in Baby by Muse. You're going to need all your fingers for this, so make sure you follow my finger choices carefully so that you're able to bring it right up to speed and play it nice and fluidly. So we're going to start off with our ring finger on the 3rd string down, and we're going to be using the 8th fret. So that's ring finger, 3rd string down, 8th fret. We're then going to go to our pinky on the 9th fret of the 3rd string down. And our picking pattern here wants to be a down, up. With our first finger, we're going to go to the 6th fret of the 4th string down, the G, ending on a down pick. So we're starting on the 3rd string down, 8 with our 3rd finger, 9 with our pinky, up pick, and 6 on the 4th string down, 1st finger, down pick. We're then going to repeat that pattern again, but we're going to end on the 7th fret of the 4th string down with our 2nd finger. So using mostly alternate picking for this, 3rd string down, 8, 9, 4th string down, 6, 3rd string down, 8, 9, 4th string down, 6, 7. We're then going to return back to the 3rd string down with our pinky on the 9th fret, then 6th fret on the 4th string down, 7th fret on the 4th string down, and 9th fret on the 4th string down with our pinky. We're then going to move to the 5th string down, the B, and we're going to use our 1st finger on the 7th fret, and we're going to do a hammer-on pull-off to the 8th fret. We're then going to return to the 9th fret of the G string, the 4th string down, 7th fret, and then 6th fret, making sure we're doing that alternate picking all of the time. So on the second run through then, we're going to start on the 9th fret of the 3rd string down with our pinky, then 6th fret of the 4th string down, 7th fret on the 4th string down, returning back to the 9th fret on the 3rd string down, the D, with our pinky, 6th fret on the 4th string down, 7th fret on the 4th string down, and then 9th fret on the 4th string down. So this is from the start. We're then going to return back to the 6th fret of the 4th string, and then end up on the 7th fret of the B. We're then going to do our hammer-on pull-off again, go to the 6th fret of the B string, 7th fret of the B string, and then back to the 6th fret. We're then going to bar the 7th frets of the 3rd, 4th and 5th string. So that's a mini bar, and we're going to do up picks all the way up to the D string. Then using your ring finger, you're going to go to the 9th fret of the A string, that's the 2nd string down. So that's barring 7th frets of the 3rd, 4th and 5th strings, up picks, and then 9th fret of the 2nd string. We're then going to return with down picks on that little bar. Then using our third finger, our ring finger, we're going to go to the 9th fret of the B string. We're going to pick it, and then we're going to do a half tone bend. We're then going to go to the 7th fret of the B string, the 6th fret of the B string, and the 7th fret of the B string. We're then going to jump up to the string above that, the 4th string, go to the 7th fret, back to the 6th fret, and back to the 7th fret. Okay, so for the final bit of the riff then, we're going to start back where it all began, on the 8th fret of the 3rd string down. Now this is very similar to the start. We're going to go 8, 9, 6th fret on the 4th string down, return back to the 8th fret, 8, 9, 6 on the 4th string down, 7th fret on the 4th string down, return back to the 9th fret with our pinky, 4th string down, 6, 7, 9, and the final bit, we're going to do the hammer-on pull-off on the 5th string down, the B, 7, 8, 7, and reverse, 4th string down, 9, 7, 6, 9. So there we have it. There is my plugin baby tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed this today. If you have, but you've got any questions, make sure you whack them in the comment box. Make sure if you enjoyed what you've seen on this tutorial that you explore the rest of WR Guitar, and obviously subscribe to WR Guitar so that you get future updates on the tutorials that I'm going to be making.